Dolmabahçe Palace. Unfortunately, photos and videos are prohibited inside the palace. The arrest of Dolmabahçe of Istanbul is a symbol of the dawn of the Ottoman Empire. Huge squares, rich materials, luxurious decoration, everything testifies to the former power and greatness of Turkey of the 19th century. Now the Dolmabahçe Palace in Istanbul amazes us with its unprecedented architectural grandeur. The palace complex covers an area of 110,000 square meters. The complex includes a large number of different buildings, a mosque, a harem, a library, a clock tower and others. It took more than 14 tons of gold to decorate the interior of the palace. An audio guide with a choice of language can be taken for free, but secured by a passport or license. Rafik works from 9 in the morning to 4 in the evening every day, except Monday and Thursday. The cost of entrance tickets to the melon depends on the visiting area. A ticket for the official quarter of Zion Lik costs 60 Turkish lira, in a personal harem 40 lira is 260 and 170 hryvnia.
Like there's a huge palace behind you. It is very beautiful, everything inside is made of gold. There are very large columns and a lot of things are closed.